everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I have a new contact lens review for you guys, and this is Olens collab with Jushika. They have released two color contact lens here, and it's supposed to give you this K-pop idol look, which I completely agree already. It comes in two colors, brown and gray. Without further ado, let's get the video started. First of all, the diameter of this is like the perfect diameter for me. It is 13.3mm, which means that it gives you an enlargement but also not too big as well. I love my 13.3, so when they released with this diameter, I was like, yes, perfect, thank you. In terms of the design, it gives you like that glowy finish with the highlighter, and what makes this different with the glowy contact lens is that the highlighter part has a ash white highlighter on it, which means it really brighten up the look a little bit more. It doesn't really focus on the crescent moon side, which it does has a little bit of it, but when you really look at it, the focal point is that ashy white. Now I'm sure I will get comments or questions in terms of how the ash white will move around. It does move around on the eyes, it doesn't stay on the bottom. It does move around, but it doesn't look bad, it doesn't look weird. It still really brighten up your eye and really just make everything just go bam. Like my friend just walked in on me just before while I was getting ready. I only legit have the brown contact lens on with my fake lashes, and she's like, what happened to your eyes? I was like, what happened? And she was like, why does your eyes suddenly just look much more larger and brighter? And I was like, it's this contact lens, that's it. No makeup, really just makes everything just looks really nice still. Let's focus on the brown color first. When I put this on, I was like, oh my god, it does look really beautiful, and I can't help but compare this with my lighter brown of the glowy lens, and I'm like, okay, which one will I prefer? And to be honest, I would prefer this one more because I love the ashiness that it gives me, but also at the same time I really like the border of the contact lens. The border really reminds me of the dark brown, like the VV brown, which I absolutely love. So when it has a very similar border, it has a little bit of that pixelation that blends into my natural eye, I am for it, okay? And what happened with this one is that not only has that ashy brown, it also have that golden highlighter shade as well, and somehow with, you know, the brightener of the ash white, it really just makes everything look much more blendable, like makes more brown, which is, I don't know, it's something about it just looks beautiful. But then when I tried the gray one, I was like, okay, I like the grey one more, and not because it's like lighter or brighter, but it darkened up my eyes. I usually tend to go for contact lens that brighten up or like something lighter, because obviously I have dark eye color, and so if I wear something lighter, I tend to like that because obviously it's much more different to my darker eyes. Does it make sense? But then when putting on this grey, I'm like, wow, if I would have to choose a contact lens that is like natural or closest to my eye color, this would be it. Like, it doesn't show a lot of the grayness to it when I put it on my eyes. I think after putting on my eyes, it somehow end up looking like a black with a grey undertone, but also like ashy gray shade, if that makes sense. Something about this just makes me really like this a lot, and I really hope that they release like a one-day version of this gray, because it's something that I would definitely keep wearing. That's how much I like this particular grey as well. And same thing with this, because of this grey, it also has that dark brown border, and I think because of that dark brown border, it somehow just emphasizes look a little bit more, enlarge my eyes much more nicer. In person, you can definitely see that I'm wearing grey color contact lens. On video, it looks much more darker, but I think depending on the lighting itself, it can look light, it can look dark, but at the same time, I really like the finish of it. Something about this is just different, and I can see why Jushika have released this, because this would be like a go-to K-pop idol makeup lens. You know, K-pop idol love to wear their grey color contact lens, and I feel like this is the perfect one. So if you ask me which one overall I would prefer out of these two to try, I would definitely recommend the grey one. If you're looking for something way more unique, definitely go for this. But if you want something that brighten up your eyes and you want something brown, definitely go for the brown. But if you have the chance, give this both a go, see how you like it, and let me know what you guys think. I also hope that the comparisons will help you guys out as well, because I feel like these contact lenses have some similarities to some other contact lenses, but they are not so much, because they sort of like combine a few patterns together to create this. That's how I feel. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.